Good morning, friends. Welcome to the daily morning podcast of SBI Securities. Let us check what happened in the US market yesterday. So, yesterday was a positive day as far as US markets are concerned, and after 3 days of continuous closing in the red, we have seen positive closing in S&P 500 to the tune of 0.8%. Nasdaq was up by 1.3%, and Dow Jones was up by 200 points. So overall, the rally in the US markets was led by the technology stocks, especially stocks like Apple and Nvidia were up. And one of the reason for chip maker stock Nvidia was trading in positive momentum was the strong growth outlook given by Taiwan-based TSMC company. So the October to December quarterly results were very strong from TSMC, and they have went on record to say that calendar year 2024 will be a very robust year in terms of demand for semiconductor chips, and that led to the rally in Nvidia stock. In terms of key data which came in the US market, so jobless claims number came in the US market, and that were significantly lower as against the expectation, and that clearly indicate that US economy is on strong footing despite of high interest rate environment, and this further build the case that US Fed governor may not be in a hurry to cut the rate, and that has led to the rally in the US 10-year bond yield above 4.1%. In terms of other key indicator, US dollar index is trading at 103.4 levels. Brent crude has slightly spurted up and is trading in the band of $78 to $79 to the barrel. And the reason being that we all know that there is a crisis going on in the Red Sea, and that has disrupted the global logistics from sea route. So minor spurt has been seen in the Brent crude. US volatility index was yesterday down by 4% at 14 levels, and India's volatility index was also down to the tune of 6%, and it is at 14 levels. In terms of key data which will come out today, today evening US consumer sentiment data will be out, and that will be one of the important data that will be tracked by the street. In addition to that, ECB President Christine Lagarde will be speaking at one of the event, that is Davos, in the evening today. Moving on to Asian and European market, so yesterday evening all the European markets have closed in the green, and today morning also all the Asian indices are indicating a positive opening. So Japan's Nikkei is up to the tune of 1.7%, Australian markets are up by 1.1%, and Hong Kong Hang Seng index is also trading in a green as we speak today. GIFT Nifty, which is an early barometer of Indian equity market, is currently trading at 21,548 levels, which indicate a flat opening in the trade today. As everyone is tracking the ADR movement nowadays, so yesterday what we have seen is that there was positive movement in HDFC ADR, Axis Bank ADR, and Reliance Bank and Reliance Industries ADR. So that indicates that the heavyweight stock may arrest their fall in the trade today, and we may see some positive to minor positive to a flat opening in the key large cap stocks of India. Moving on to the Indian equity market, so yesterday what we have seen is that Nifty was down to the tune of 0.5% and have settled at 21,462 levels, whereas Sensex was down to the tune of 314 points and have settled at 71186 levels. So yesterday we have seen again there was a pressure on HDFC Bank stock, and at the same time LTI Mindtree was down by more than 8 to 9% due to the weaker set of outlook given by the LTI Mindtree. In terms of fund flow, yesterday again it was a heavy selling day for foreign institutional investor. FII were seller to the tune of 9,900 crore, whereas DII were buyer to the tune of almost 6,000 crore in the trade yesterday. In terms of market breadth, so yesterday again market breadth was in favor of bears. So we have seen 2024 stocks have ended in red in the trade yesterday against 1793 stocks which have closed in green. In terms of 52-week high, so yesterday due to the weaker market sentiment, we have seen that 52-week high stocks have scaled down significantly from earlier band of 350 to 400 number, and yesterday 289 stocks have still scaled a 52-week high. Amongst the BSE 500, few of the prominent name which I would like to put forth ahead of you, in front of you. So Oracle Financial Services up to the tune of 29%. The stock has scaled 52-week high. Philip Carbon Black again was up by 11%. Post a robust set of number. So both Oracle Financial Services and PCBL has posted a very solid set of number, and that is the reason we are seeing that these stocks are scaling 52-week high despite of subdued market sentiment. Other few stocks which have scaled 52-week high are Shobha, Vaibhav Global, Aptus Value, Apollo Tyre, Welspun Corp, FDC, Bank of Maharashtra, Mahanagar Gas, Oil India, PNB Housing Finance, Amber Enterprises, Global Health, Sun Pharma, GlaxoSmithKline, Cochin Shipyard, Lupin, Hindustan, HPCL, RVNL, Apollo Hospital, Intellect Design, Larsen and Toubro, IOC, Minda Corp, Torrent Pharma, MAS Financial Services, Mastec, IRFC, Kaplan Point. So these were the few stocks among the BSE 500 which have scaled 52-week high despite weaker market sentiment during the yesterday's trade. In terms of so yesterday again was a result heavy day. So we have seen a strong set of results from Poonawalla Fincorp, Home First Finance, Innova CapTap, and RK Forging. At the same time, we have seen a weaker set of results from Metro, Shoppers Stop, Finolex Industry, and one of the large bank, which is IndusInd Bank, have reported inline set of number. So all the stocks which have reported a decent set of number may say a positive reaction in the trade today, and stocks which have reported a weaker than expected set of number are likely to react negatively in the trade today. For further detail on all these results, what I would suggest you that you should refer to our Telegram channel, where we are posting detail of each and every company. In addition to that, if you want to deep dive further, you can refer to our morning report. The morning report is available on Telegram channel. At the same time, we are uploading the morning report on SBI Securities website. In addition to that, you can ask your dealer and advisor to share the morning report on your WhatsApp number. So there are many avenues from where you can access the morning report. In terms of results today, so today few heavyweight companies like Reliance Industries, Hindustan Unilever, Ultratech Cement, Hindustan Zinc, Paytm, all these companies will be reporting their December quarter numbers. In addition to that, smaller size companies like Central Bank, Credit Axis Grameen, Hudson Agro Products, RBL Bank, Tejas Network, Atul, CESC, Avantel, Taneja Aerospace, Vent India, HT Media. So all these companies will be reporting their results today. In addition to that, tomorrow also it's an result heavy day. So tomorrow, which is a Saturday, few of the companies which are likely to report number are ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IREDA, Persistent System, Union Bank, Canfin Home, IDFC First Bank, JK Cement, IDBI Bank, KKCL, Rajratan Global Wire, Rosary Biotech, Shishai Paper, Tatva Chintan, Vari Renewable, JNK Bank, and Aarti Surfactant. So few of the so it's a very more of an BFSI or bank-led kind of day as far as tomorrow is concerned, and all the reaction will be seen in the trade on Monday. So slightly be cautious if you are trading in a banking BFSI sector, especially in the banks where the results are likely to be announced today or tomorrow evening. So moving on to the key stocks where one should focus on. So in terms of corporate action, news development, so we have seen that SBI has raised 5,000 crore through 10-year 81 bond. Again, a neutral, it's a regular activity for any bank. REC has been designated as an overall implementation agency for rooftop solar program of Renewable Energy Ministry, and the company aims to achieve an cumulative capacity of 40,000 megawatt from rooftop solar panel by 2026. So that's positive development for REC from a medium to long term perspective. The stock is likely to react positively in the trade today. Yesterday there was a rumor that JSW Infrastructure is likely to acquire Navkar Corp. However, the company JSW Infrastructure has denied this development, and there is no specific proposal underway as per the company. So we may see some negative reaction in Navkar Corp today. Power Finance Corporation company has incorporated two SPV for developing transmission projects in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Again, neutral from a short-term perspective, however positive from a medium to long-term perspective. In terms of block deal, so yesterday we have seen SCL Tech. There is a hand change between BNP Paribas and SocGen. Nothing to read into it. In terms of bulk deal, we have seen again a hand change in ADF Foods, Lancer Container Line, Dhanlakshmi Bank, IEX, Sanghi Industry, and Tourism Finance Corporation. So, if I have to sum up today's discussion, overall global sentiment looks positive as far as equity markets are concerned. All the global indices are trading in green today. However, GIFT Nifty is indicating a kind of flattish opening in the trade today. And after a robust rally in Indian equity market during the month of November and December, the consolidation is going on in Indian equity market. And in terms of levels, one can expect that on upside maybe 21,800 is a level where we may again find a resistance, and on the support side what I feel is that 20,800 can be a level where we can see a solid support emerging for the equity market. In terms of stock specific action, obviously it's a result heavy week, and as the companies which are reporting a strong set of number or where the outlook is pretty robust, those companies are reacting positively. So it's a stock specific market as of now. Rather than focusing on indices, one should focus on companies which are declaring a solid set of number and which have a solid growth outlook. However, in terms of broader indices, a broader sector which are looking good from a short to medium term perspective. So auto and auto ancillary, the sector which we like from a short to medium term perspective. In addition to that, sectors which are pertaining to government capex, whether it is railways, defense, infrastructure. So these are the few sectors which we like from a short to medium term perspective. In addition to that, sectors which are part of stock market, whether it is a broking companies or asset management companies, all these companies can also be on radar from a short to medium term perspective. That's all for the day. Thanks for patiently listening to our podcast. Have a good day.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.